everyone, I'm Dr. Susie Gronski, Doctor of Physical Therapy, Pelvic Health Therapist, Sexuality Counselor, and Educator. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through a female pelvic floor exam. So I'm going to be feeling the tone of these pelvic floor muscles, assessing for tenderness, assessing for contraction and relaxation and symmetry of that contraction. And then we're going to go to the clitoral hood and mobilize the clitoris to ensure that the clitoral hood is mobile and that we're not dealing with any adhesions of the clitoris, which can also happen with hormonal tissue changes in this area. So that's what we're going to do. And then we're going to do a sterile Q-tip test to the inner labia at the vestibule, which is the inner part right at the vaginal opening. So now that we've done the external pelvic floor assessment, the vulvar assessment, and the palpation, next we're going to do the transperineal, also known as translabial, real-time ultrasound. So the ultrasound transducer is going to be placed gently nestled in between the labia, and the view that we're going to see on the screen is going to be this view right here, okay? We're going to see the bladder, the vaginal canal, and the rectum. I'll point that out on the screen. Then we're going to have our patient contract her pelvic floor muscles, and you'll be able to see the levator ani, which are the deep pelvic floor muscles here, from pubic bone to tailbone, in action. What's also cool is that we can see the superficial pelvic floor muscles also on the ultrasound, and I'll try to point those out as well. We use a sterile ultrasound packet because we are dealing with mucous membranes. We have to be extra cautious here for our patient's safety. So we have a sterile ultrasound packet, we have a transducer cover, using gloves, of course, and then high-level disinfection afterwards as well. So let's get started. Come join me on Patreon! You'll get a full step-by-step guidance, plus tons of other uncensored pelvic health tutorials you won't find here on YouTube. Check out the link below.